All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh my God. Let's fix that real quick. Oh, that is much better. Okay, much better. I'm feeling better. Shout out to my boy Jordan at Jordy Cuts. Here's his Instagram right here. Go give him a follow. Now, everybody else, I want you to go out, support yourself a local business. Go support a family-owned, family-operated. Go support your buddy who's trying to kickstart something. Go support some sort of company that's doing great things that you like, that is, you know, made in America here, built in America here, designed, operated, whatever. Go find something. Go help somebody achieve their dreams today. Go out and support somebody's business. I want to try something else. Let's see if this snap trick will work on this nightmare right here. Okay, ready? Whoa, that's much better. I wonder if... Pow! Okay, wait, watch this. What if I snap like... I wonder if I snap like really, really hard, if I could do something else. That wasn't hard enough, I guess. Wait, hold on. Whoa! All right, I'm done, I promise. Okay, wait, one more thing, ready? All right, that was the last one, I promise. So, my gosh, I almost have to switch to a wide angle lens in order to get everything in here. So we have almost everything to finish the fuel tech swap. Obviously we have the fuel tech, the FT600, we already talked about that. That's gonna be, remember, the dash and the computer. Has a built-in map sensor, USB, oh, it's a micro, or I mean, regular USB. What's this one called? The one that was like old school cameras and stuff and you never ever have them anymore, and an old GoPro. But it has two ports, two connectors there on the back, and that's it, right? So this is, excuse me. To go with that, we have also, Sai makes these now. Sai was gracious enough to include one of these guys. So the fuel tech's gonna go in here, and then that's gonna go inside the dash. So that'll be, this is a really nice piece. Sai has these, so if you already have a fuel tech, go get you one of these from Sai. Now, of course, we've got the motion turbo drains, turbofan drains, because I am tired of dealing with the ones that are on there. We have this is a intake air temp sense. This is a motion. This is going to be a motion drive shaft speed sensor. That's we're going to get our rear tire speed off of those. Mac valves for the boost control, as well as a increased decreased solenoid Mac valve mounting kit from Motion. This is a Watson Racing mechanical throttle pedal, throttle cable, bunch of Holley pressure transducers. There's a couple of them here. One's for oil, one's for wastegate, one's for oil, wastegate, trans pressure, and one more that I cannot remember right this second. We also have fuel tech wideband sensors. This is a obvious throttle body from Holley. Also is going to be with a Holley Sniper intake manifold that should ship hopefully later this week. We have our injectors that are back from being flow matched and cleaned. We have a fuel system. This is the filter replacement element for our fuel filter. Boom, boom. In here also are another set of flanges, or sorry, gaskets rather, for the T4 flanges. And that's all this stuff. And this is our new wiring harness. This is wiring harness for the fuel tech. This is built by Matt over at Sparks and Shorts. This is the wiring harness. This is built by Matt over at Sparks and Shorts. Awesome guy, really great work. He did everything that I wanted him to do. It has everything in it. This is right here, just for example. This has got this is the steering wheel connections right here that have, this is a jumper for the neutral safety switch, steering wheel and trans brake buttons. This is the nano widebands. For the widebands, and also the back of the fuel tech connector. Everything's penned out, everything's ran really simply. It's fitted with grommets and everything to go through the firewall. It's great, really great product. Super excited about that. Super excited about all of this. I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. Why haven't I uploaded a video in a long time? two reasons really. Work has been busy, and two, as you can imagine, all of this stuff is quite expensive and adds up very quickly. And what I've had to do is pick up a lot of extra side work. I haven't really been doing a lot of stuff to my own car. The current state of the car, this is just covered so that I don't get anything that I don't want on it. But it's just kind of been taken apart, and then I've paused right here because I've been waiting for all of this stuff to come in. That way I can make some actual progress on this thing, because I hate just coming in here and just doing one little tiny thing and then leaving it. I like to get like big chunks of the car done at a time. So I really haven't been working on my car at all. We have a list. This list has been up here long enough to have been smeared. So now I'm gonna have to try to remember what that stuff says. We have parts. We have some time. I'm going to get started, and I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. I'm going to include you guys on what's going on with all of this parts and explaining a lot of stuff that I can. So what I think I'm going to do for this is I will probably just do like, I'm just going to film as I do stuff, and then I'm at a certain point while I'm going to edit what I have, and if the video turns out to be not long enough, then I'm going to continue. I'm going to wait till the next day or the next week when I get stuff, get more stuff filmed, and then I'm going to make a video out of it. Same thing if I'm working on a video and it's like we're getting to like 15, 16, 17 minutes long on the video, but I'm not done for the day, I'm going to probably stop the video where, right there, and so you're going to see this clip. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. So you'll probably see that exact clip. I might actually use that one in between the videos where I decide that I want to end a video and I didn't film an outro. That's the one I'm going to use. So watch it again. No, don't really. I'm not going to make you watch it again. Also, big update. This is my brand new PowerTig 200 DV. So it goes up to 200 amps, right? Dual voltage, as in I can do 120 and 240. But this is an awesome, I've kind of tested it out. I've worked on it. It comes with this is a 26 torch now instead of a 17, which is a little bit bigger frame than I was used to before. This is an awesome welder. It's great. It's got tons of good settings. Everlast got it sent out to me. They gave me a good deal on it, which was sweet. They also gave me an upgrade with these Superflex, the Superflex, and they sent a flex head and a non-flex head. So tons of great, Everlast has got some really, really good customer service. We had some problems with UPS getting it here, and Everlast did all the work basically for me with UPS getting everything sorted out, and they sent me some free stuff too, which, and every time I call Everlast, they answer the phone right away. I'm talking to somebody on the phone. Also, if by chance that they don't answer the phone, I get like 3 or 4 calls back throughout the day, making sure that somebody did talk to me. So, if I call them and they, for whatever reason, I catch a voicemail, I get, like I said, 3 or 4 phone calls back, making sure that I did end up getting to talk to somebody. So that's really good. Awesome customer service. I really do appreciate that. It's kind of hard to come by now, it seems. It's a little bit bigger than my last one. I think my last one was like right here to like maybe these bolts right here. So it's a little bit bigger. As you can see, it's sticking off the cart, but it is cool. It has the front of this so that in the future, if I ever decide to get a water-cooled torch, I can stack this on one of their water coolers and they match up perfectly. It looks exactly like just one big unit altogether. So that's super cool. So going forward, what is my plan? Right now, my plan is to finish cleaning the garage. I did the snap trick over here, but I have not done it over there in that corner yet. I need to do the snap trick over there and make all that stuff disappear and get organized. But I have to still lock out the cams on this, which the parts that are to lock out the cams are coming, as well as a degreen kit is on back order. So I might need to get a order from like Summit or something, because Jegs' degreen kit for this, the comps cam degreen kit, is on back order. So I'm gonna have to do that. I am changing this up a little bit down here where there used to be 2 couplers. There was a 90, a small straight piece, and then another 90 coupler. I'm getting rid of that. I'm using this 90, so I'm going to weld this to the charge side. But I have to wait till I get my intake. That way that this is all going to end up the way that it's supposed to. To finish, I was doing these little I cut out the factory support that goes right here that was quite big and bulky, and I'm going to do like a 3/8 inch tubular from here to here. So I've got that to finish up. Same thing on this side. I think I have something over here. So you can see right here, this went straight up, and it was really cramped because it went straight up right here, and this coupler was like crammed against this little, or this that support right there. It was crammed up against this. So what I'm doing now is I've got this little guy, you can see is going to get welded on right here, and that's going to be the support that goes up, and it's going to support from the same location right here. So we'll support here, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We've got a bunch of new stickers. That's cool. I'm excited about the stickers. Oh, I have sold also, I'm going to do some fender exits that are just like mine for I think he's out in, I don't know where he is. I don't know where this guy's located, but he's commissioned me to build some fender exits just like mine. So that will give me a second chance to get better at making these fender exits. So I'm excited about that opportunity. So this is just a quick little update. I'm going to get started. I'm going to be, I don't want to say better because I was intentionally taking a break. So I'm going to be posting more videos here as we get going, because there's going to be a lot of stuff to talk about. I've got a lot of new things to share with you guys, some changes, and I'm excited to be back out here working on the car, hanging out with you guys, and putting out some content for you guys to watch. So I'm going to clean up this, and then I'm going to probably put this on the computer, figure out how long this is, and then maybe talk about some other stuff, and then you'll have to we'll get going on probably the next video, or maybe this one. We'll see. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hello?
Hey, did I forget to tell you to grab some eggs, please?
Okay, I'll run back to the store.
Okay, thank you.